Har Har Mahadev! On the sacred night of Mahashivratri, let's nourish our body with the divine dish Sabudana Khichdi, a perfect growth-friendly recipe full of purity and Satvik goodness. Let's begin this journey of taste and devotion. How to make the khichdi? Add 1 cup sabudana or sago pearls in a bowl. Add 3/4 cup of water. Dip the sabudana completely in water. Let it soak overnight or for 6 hours. After 6 hours, remove the excess water. If you can mash the sabudana with 2 fingers, then it's ready to cook. Add half cup of crushed peanuts. To make this peanut powder, you have to roast 1 cup of peanuts and then remove the cover and blend it in a mixer into a coarse powder. Add half teaspoon of sugar free. Add 3/4 teaspoon of rock salt or black salt. Mix well with the sabudana pearls. This step will remove any excess moisture in sabudana, and this will make our khichdi nice and dry. Set the mixture aside for a while. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Once the ghee is melted, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds. Roast them until they become golden brown in color. Add 1/4 cup of curry leaves or curry patta leaves. Roast them for 30 seconds. Add 1/4 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. 1 tablespoon of minced green chilies. 1 cup of boiled and diced potato. Fry the potato for 10 minutes or until it becomes crispy from outside. Add the sabudana mixture. Cook the sabudana until the pearls become transparent in color. The plating. Serve the khichdi in a bowl and garnish with curry patta leaves and fresh flowers. Make sure to eat it quickly because sabudana will dry out with time. As we offer our devotion to Lord Shiva on this auspicious night, may our hearts be filled with peace, strength, and divine blessings. May this Mahashivratri bring you inner awakening and bliss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sacred recipes. Har Har Mahadev!